My name is Günter Jagschies. I've worked here in Sweden at this site for 16 years, always with the bioprocess business since almost 35 years now. I'm a biochemist by background. What I do now is sort of an ambassador role for this business, traveling the world, having customer seminars, giving advice to them, or speaking at conferences, chairing conferences, publishing. It's one of the most exciting roles that I think the company has to offer. I'm very fascinated about the role of biopharma to actually bring forward new treatments, new solutions to the biggest healthcare problems that we have, biggest disease challenges. So yeah, that keeps me coming to work. We went from just one drug, insulin, for quite some time, 3 years or so before the next one came, to now more than 200. We diversified things from smaller proteins made in bacteria to incredibly large, complex constructs like virus or vaccines. I think the main challenge really is affordability of this. It may involve actually changing the business model, like getting paid for success rather than for just giving the drug, or other models that are being discussed right now. We still only cover a very small part of the patient population with these drugs because of these affordability issues. We want to be able to treat every patient in the world. And that will require some good ideas on affordability of them. Well, I think that this is to do with the productivity of bioreactors, usually expressed that as product titer, the concentration of the product in the reactor. We have boosted that in the last 5 years another tenfold almost, from say 5 grams, which were achievable for most people. Now the bar is at 50 grams per liter of reactor, and that productivity will make it possible to make the quantities of product we need in smaller and smaller facilities. So it will at the same time make manufacturing affordable to smaller companies also. Well, there's still unmet medical needs. We still have quite a number of diseases that are not really covered by anything. The way I look at this is that biopharma, or the biology and the understanding of that in general, is instrumental in getting there, finding these solutions. I would say the biggest opportunity is to dive even deeper into the understanding of things like cancer, Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, and even diabetes, which is still not fully understood, and to make people healthy, or to at least make these diseases manageable within the next 20 or 30 years maybe. My vision for the future is to basically work in very small facilities, delete all the hold times, delete all the extra tanks and storage spaces that you might need in a classic facility, and then add on to this digital tools that will allow you to follow the process, monitor it constantly, and take very quick decisions. Small and smart facilities is what I would call that vision for manufacturing. And it involves, people call it intensification, it involves an increase in productivity of a factor of 5 to 10, somewhere there.